Hi everyone and welcome back to Tech World with Preet. In today's video we are diving into a fascinating question. What is LangChain and why should you use it? LangChain is an exciting tool that's gaining momentum in the AI space, and by the end of this video you'll not only understand what it is but also have a strong sense of how it fits into modern AI workflows. Let's get started. Coming back to question what is LangChain and why do we use it in the first place? What exactly is it doing for us? Well, answering that question is a bit trickier than it seems. So to really understand it, we're going to walk through a short journey across this video and the next few. To make things more concrete, let's look at a real-world use case. Have you ever wondered how some apps let you interact with large documents, like asking questions about the contents of a PDF? We'll start by looking at a public web app called PDF.ai. It's not something I built, someone else did, but it's a great example. Take a look at web app. Next, we will understand how this app works and we can use that knowledge to better understand LangChain. Let me show you a quick demo. First, sign in to PDF.ai with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the upload page where you can upload your PDF file. I uploaded a 277-page document about the cracking the technical interview to PDF.ai. On the left, you can see the document, and on the right, I can type questions about it. Let's ask design an algorithm to find all pairs of integers within an array which sum to a specified value. After a brief pause, the app gives me an answer. If you check closely, it's getting the information directly from the PDF. What's even cooler is that it shows the exact section where the info came from. For example, it says the answer is from page 91. If we search for page 91 in the PDF, we can see the same details as shown in the chat response. So, how does this magic happen? Let's take a look behind the scenes to understand how an app like this is built. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Text extraction. The app reads the PDF and extracts the text, breaking it into smaller sections. Embeddings generation. Each section is converted into vector embeddings, a mathematical representation of text meaning. Question handling. When you ask a question, it's converted into an embedding, and the system compares it to the embeddings from the document to find relevant sections. AI response. Finally, ChatGPT or a similar model processes the relevant sections and generates a response. Next question comes in mind: what LangChain can do. LangChain is a powerful tool that helps developers build smart AI apps, and this image shows all the cool things it can do. Let's break it down. Chatbots. You can build chatbots that talk like humans using real-time data and memory. Agents. These are AI tools that can decide what to do next, like searching the web or calling APIs. Interacting with APIs. LangChain can connect with other services and fetch real-time info using APIs. Code understanding. It can help explain or work with code, like debugging or code review. Querying tabular data. LangChain can understand and answer questions from data tables, like Excel sheets. Evaluation. You can test how well your AI app is performing. Extraction. It can pull out specific information from documents or files. Question answering using docs. Ask questions, and it finds answers from your files or documents. Summarization. It reads long content and gives you a short, meaningful summary. Why is LangChain so popular? Think of LangChain like a kitchen helper for developers. Imagine you're a chef and someone has already chopped the veggies, measured the spices, and got everything ready for you. All you have to do is cook the meal. LangChain does the same thing for developers. It takes care of all the hard setup, so you can just focus on building your AI app. So, that's LangChain in a nutshell, a framework that turns the complex into the simple, making it easier to build powerful LLM applications. In upcoming videos, we'll go deeper into LangChain's features, build real-world projects, and even talk about bringing these apps to production. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech World with Preet. Let's keep learning and building amazing things together. See you next time.